Hey guys, this is me, Thomas. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Tommy Southampton from Roblox. First, I'll do his hair.
I'm gonna drink this smoothie.
And then, all we have to do is draw his head. And then, we have to do these for his glasses. Then we have to draw a nice big mouth. And then we have to draw arms. Then we have to draw his body. Do his legs. Now for his shoes. Now all we have to do is color him in. I'll have to do this black. And then we have to color in the legs. Now we need to make these green. Then we have to do the middle in blue. And then we will have to draw a little bike in the middle.
And a bike.
And then we need to make the rest of them this color.
Yeah, is white. Is white.
And then we have to do the lens. Then we have to make the hair this color.
You got your tongue.
And that's how we draw him. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.